They know my story.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Long time no soft locks tutorial. So in this video I'm going to be doing a quick soft lock tutorial, and my client wanted curly ends towards curly ends for our locks. So clearly I am going to be braiding my client's natural hair with some curly hair, or I'm going to be wrapping it. Don't worry, you'll probably see what I did. So first I already made the part. When my client has like fine hair, always try to like braid the foundation with like some kinky hair. You can either use like kinky hair, like any Marley hair, or braiding hair. As you can see, what I'm using is very, very tiny, very, very small. So you don't want it to be too thick. Just even smaller than what you can see me doing right now. So you just want it to create a good foundation so it doesn't really slip off. Because your client does have like fine hair, like most times it would probably not last as long. So to make it last as long, you want to add some texture to it. And that's the reason why I am currently doing what you see me doing right now. And after that, when I braid some more, I am going to just insert my locks and then just keep braiding, and then I feel secure. Because imagine me having to put the locks on just the fine hair alone. It probably would work, but the weight of the locks of the soft locks compared to my client's natural hair would not be so healthy, or I don't know, I just would not feel as confident as I'm currently feeling right now. Using like the kinky hair or the Marley hair. You can use like braiding hair, but I chose to use Marley hair because again, like I want to give it the texture, and I'm going to be wrapping it around so it works just fine. Again, we're using color 1B. I think I used about 4 packs of the soft locks hair. One pack had about 21 counts. So I probably used 4. I didn't finish the 4, but I did use 4 overall. I didn't really count how many, but usually when I do this hairstyle, at least usually have at least 85. At least 85. Again, at least 85. So probably use less, or just like give or take, but it never gets to 100, never gets to high 90. At least 85. And this style usually on average takes me about 5 to 6 hours, sometimes 7. Just depends on, like, if you have like really, really short hair, that will probably take me longer time. But if your hair is like, not short, that'll probably take me like 5 hours. But if your hair is like, like hard to like part through, like when I'm making the part for the locks, that might take me about 6. But yeah, most like 6 hours and 30 minutes, 7 hours, but on average like 5 to 6 hours basically. So I'm technically using like 2 kinds of hair. I mean, clearly 3, because I'm using something else to braid, but I really don't count that because not everybody use some extension hair for like the foundation. So technically we're only using not technically, but like overall you only use the soft locks hair, anyone that you have, and then like a wrapping hair. So you can either use sprinkles hair or the expression hair. Like it just depends on the texture they're looking for. Some textures are like silky, fine, shine, everything, while some are like more like frizzy and more like naturally looking. So as you can see, I am done. I added my curl. I don't know why I didn't show you guys how I added my curls, but hopefully you see how I was able to add my curls towards the end of my client's locks. And right now I'm just wrapping and creating the foundation. I know it seems tight, and of course when you're wrapping it, it's gonna look tight. It's gonna be tight just because of you just twisting and twisting. But as soon as the locks like drops, it's just like fine, and you're good to go. All my clients says that I'll probably tell them to like hold it, because I know that even when I do my own hair, when I'm twisting, it does hurt me. That's not the intention, but it's just gonna hurt because you're wrapping and you're just twisting it, just twisting and twisting. And that part of the hair is like very soft, very sensitive. So yes, you will just have to hold it. But I promise you, it's not as tight as it looks. So after wrapping with the a little bit of passion twist hair, you want to just take the tiniest piece possible just to go back and wrap it around. That's going to make it softer and create a more like just a cuter texture to me. I don't do this for all my soft locks, but when I feel like it, when it's not looking as textured as I want it to look, I will go ahead and wrap it all over again, as you can see me doing right now. You don't have to go all the way to the end. Just freestyle, no big deal. No, don't think hard. Don't think too hard about it. And yeah, that'll be all. And I don't dip this in hot water. I just massage it, and I also use like my hair steam stuff, like the steamer. Yeah, and I did have towards the end. You're gonna see me applying the hair growth oil. And yeah, that'll be all. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and hopefully as you go into the video, you can just like skip through, or like just like, I don't know, just try to find the part. Okay, so now I'm adding my curls. So yeah, so I will start first and then add my curls, and then that's how I do have my curly ends. But yeah, that'll be all, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.
It's Feet Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me ya, say she give me pon me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in them, me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, say me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Feet Kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They're pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Original.
Yeah.
Bad man, but drop the beat. Then a bad man, but drop the beat. Original bad man. Then a bad man, but drop the beat. Then a bad man, but drop the beat.
Just say no, 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 no.
The beat of a bad man, but drop the beat. Then a bad man, but drop the beat.
Just say yeah,
bad man, but drop the beat. Then a bad man, but drop the beat. Original bad man. The beat of a bad man, but drop the beat. Then a bad man, but drop the beat.
Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man I tell her me she go low. Bad man I put you in a photo. Countdown, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No, 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 no.
The beat of a bad man, mash up the place, and a bad man, mash up the place.
She say,
The beat of a bad man, mash up the place, and a bad man, mash up the place. The beat of a bad man, mash up the place, and a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let my come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
no, 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 no.
The beat of a bad man, mash up the place, and a bad man, mash up the place.
She